I think during this pandemic, Masonic Homes, the team has just come together like we're known to do, and to support each other and to quickly identify the parts of the job that are the most important.
Masonic Homes is one of the first organizations in town to kind of lock down their campus, so to speak.
So we work hand in hand every single day, many times throughout the day, with the CDC, and we also work with the Department of Public Health. But not only are we taking guidance from them, we take their guidance, but we expand on that guidance, because our campus here in Louisville does look a little bit different than most campuses. We're the size of a college campus.
We've got a 2-lane entry into this campus that we basically test everybody coming into the campus for temperatures and ask the appropriate questions. We've also minimized deliveries to the campus. We sanitize all deliveries that do come to our campus. And then again, we also have all the PPE here on campus as well.
Not only is Masonic Homes of Kentucky the oldest Masonic Homes in the world, we are also the largest single-site continuing care retirement community in the state of Kentucky.
We are known for overcoming obstacles. Everyone is stepping up to support each other during this time. One of our residents, Miss Pinnell, she has been making masks for her family. She has I think it was a granddaughter who's a nurse at Norton, and she has been making masks for her, but also has been making masks for the other employees here on our campus.
Our number one priority right now is serving our employees. That's our only priority right now, because I know if we can care for our employees, the residents will be cared for.
If our employees need food, we have a list of items that we have on hand. And then we also have some toiletry items that might come in handy for themselves or their family members. We also are offering rides. So if our employees don't want to get on public transportation, we have several people here that will come and pick them up and make sure they get to and from work safely.
This is just another way and another great example of all the great things we're doing for the employees to show that they are truly they're a big part of us, and we couldn't do it without them.
The community spirit that is amongst the employees that we have and the residents who are still very much connected while being isolated on our campus is what makes us a community and what makes us special.